and sleep and did 1 hour of sleep. Hi guys. Hi. What's this? Hi Rula. Hi Rula, shall we? I don't wanna say sleep go on. DJ, hello. Mustafa, Mr. J, shall we, Mr. J? I didn't go to school. I did my laundry. Just did my laundry. I didn't go to school pa. I'll go to school tomorrow. But I don't know. Yeah. Jan, Tan, hello. Philip, shall we, Philip? Hindi ko alam kung ano ko, guys. Yes. Did you already eat breakfast? Wallets. Hi, guys. What are you eating? What did you eat? Kash, hello, Kash. No. Ano? Hi, Dot. Dot, follow me. Hello. Paddy, shall we? Good day, guys. Hello, Dot. Where are you from? I'll follow you here, okay? Good. There, we're followers now. Hello, Rolando. Girls, shall we, girls? Where are you from, Dot? Thank you, too. Ay, thank you, pretty boy. Pretty boy, baka naman. Kahit anniversary cake lang. Ay, Pinoy. Pero wala ka sa ibang, I mean, wala ka sa Pilipinas. Hi, Papa Into. Papa Into, shall we? Nasa Singapore. Working. KM, hello. Same time lang yung ano, di ba? Pilipinas tsaka Singapore. Same time lang ba? Or, ano? Yes po. Hmm. Bago ka lang sa Bigo. Hi, Rusty. Neil, hello. Anong gawa mo? Nasa work ka? Term, hello. Hi, Draco. Almost 5 years. Hala, ang tagal na pala. Pero ano, like, hindi ka naging active dito, gano'n. Big Country, hello. Hi, Fire. Kailan last mo, dalaw sa Pilipinas? This year lang or ano na, matagal ka nang din nakakauwi? Violin, hello. Huwag ka nang umuwi sa Pilipinas. Magulo na sa Pilipinas. Hi, Read Money. Thanks for follow. Valentine, hello. Gusto ko na nga din umalis ng Pilipinas. Mr. Alter. February 3. Tapos babalik ka pa niyan. Here. Alex! 2 weeks vacation. Johan, hello. Hi there. Alex, is that you in Telegram? Sana all. Kami, eto. Ako, eto. Kailangan pang tapusin yung college. Hi, Beer. Okeanos, hello. Crazy. Shall we crazy? Pasalubong ko. Dot. Eme. Jinwo, hello. Hi, Winter. Init dito ngayon sa Pinas? ID number. Thanks for the follow. Asan ba to? Hi, Ash. Papa Ash. Nakape ba? Cute, hello. Hi, ID number. Wave. Before December. Tagal pa pala? Okay lang yan.